Hello everyone! Here we are again for another math problem solving. A solid metal ball has a volume of 1,500 centimeter cube. It is melted to form a hollow spherical object such that its interior diameter is equal to the diameter of the original ball. What is the thickness of the resulting hollow metal object? Now, dito ang hinahanap natin, it is the thickness. That means, originally ito yung sphere. Dinodraw na natin. Linagay ko na yung solutions niya. Dinodraw natin, i-sketch natin yung sphere and with a radius R1. We designate it sa R1. Tapos, of course, twice the R is twice the radius equal to the diameter. Diameter yung sinasabi dyan. Now, it is melted to form a hollow spherical object. So, nung na-melt na siya, ganito nang mangyari. Dito, empty na to, butas na to. Ito yung meron thickness dito ng hollow spherical object. Okay? Ngayon, syempre, sphere, tapos, there is a given of volume. That means, we bear it in mind, isipin natin na volume, meron given na volume na 1,500. That means, what is involved here is volume. Kasi paano natin, siyempre kung hahanapin natin yung thickness ng hollow spherical object, it must be the R2, the radius 2, which we designate it as R2, minus the radius 3. Yan ang thickness ng hollow spherical object. So, paano natin yan ma-solve? Of course, kung alam natin ang volume of a sphere, which is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. So, dito, involved dito is r, hindi diameter. Alam naman natin na ang diameter is twice the r. Ngayon, sa original na sphere, merong volume na 1,500 centimeter cube. So, pwede natin ma-solve ang R1. Volume therefore is equal to 4/3 pi R1 cube. Substituting the value of volume which is equal to 1,500 is equal to 4/3 pi R1 cube. Pi is always to be 3.14 in radians. Therefore, substituting the values and solving this value is equal to R1 therefore is equal to 7.10 centimeter, which according to this one, the interior diameter is equal to the original ball, which is R1. So, ang interior diameter natin dito, we designate this as R3. Therefore, R1, which is equal to R3, which is equal to 7.10 centimeter. So, meron na tayong R1 at meron tayong R3. Pareho lang sila. Therefore, isolve natin. So, nung na-melt na yung spherical object tapos na-form dito na may butas sa gitna, ganun pa rin ang volume nila. The same pa rin. Same pa rin ang volume ng sphere. Yun nga lang, nadagdag lang dito sa labas. Siyempre, R2 must be higher than R1. Kasi lumabas na siya. Tapos, kasi ang R3 niya, interior radius niya, is equal to the original ball. Therefore, isolve natin ang volume nitong shaded area of the hollow spherical object. Volume is therefore equal to 4/3 pi R2 is cube minus 4/3 pi R3 cube. So, R2 and R3 is involved here. Substituting the values of volume and the value of R3, which is 7.10, R2 therefore is equal to 8.95 centimeter. So, see? R2 is greater than R1 now. Therefore, to solve the thickness of the hollow metal object, it must be R2, the radius 2 minus the radius 3, which is equal to 8.95 minus 7.10 Thickness therefore is 1.89 centimeter. Now here, in this problem, we know that it's a sphere and the volume of the sphere. That is very important na i-memorize mo talaga ang volume ng sphere. At saka, isa pa, kailangan mo talaga, be careful talaga sa unit ng value na nakalagay sa problem. Kasi, kung hindi kayo magkatugma sa ano ninyo, magkagulo-gulo yung solution ninyo, kung hindi, halimbawa, centimeter dito, tapos naging meter pala dito, sa ibang mga values ko, kailangan mo talaga maging consistent yung ano mo, yung units.